Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy! You want more information about how to adjust smoker vents? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to adjust smoker vents is www.barbecue-smoker-recipes.com. See the page titled Smoker Temperature Control Using Air Vents. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.smokingmeatforums.com, especially the page Adjusting Vents on Offset, smokingmeatforums.com. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see AmazingRibs.com. The web page using the vents to control temperature on charcoal and this is the link.